Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is an unboxing video. Today's product is Africa's Vanishing Species collection by Chantecaille. Chantecaille. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the entire unboxing of this product. I'm going to show you all the different shades, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the cause. So as you can see, the product is black and white, and you can tell it carries through the entire theme of this product because it basically is about a serious cause. The theme carries through right down to the shades. So I'm gonna open up the product, I'm gonna show you each shade that they have, and I'm gonna be talking about it a little bit in depth. So the product describes itself as a luminescent eye shade, and it comes with a sweet brush. So this palette or this product is inspired by 6 beautiful creatures, as they put it, that are endangered. By purchasing this product, Chantecaille will donate proceeds to a special cause. So on the back of the package, it says it contains a Japanese artisan crafted eye brush designed to blend and diffuse these featherweight eye shades. They are made with uniquely soft vegan synthetic fibers. So on the back of the package, it also says there's a signed photograph by Mark Drury. He took the photograph that is used on the box, as you can see. The brand claims they do not use animal testing, no parabens, fragrance-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free, and it's vegan. So you could say it's very environmental friendly. So it retails about $360. So obviously this product is more about charity, even though it comes from a premium brand. Anyway, let's get to it, and I'm gonna move this slider off. As soon as you slide off the packaging, get this fabric-like box, and as you can see, you have the name of the brand and you have the name of the collection. So it has a nice fabric feel to it. It's a sturdy box. Let's open it up. So as soon as you open it up, like I said, you get a little photograph, and it's signed by Mark Drury right here. So I'm assuming there are 840 prints of each of the 5 photographs of these animals. So this leaflet shows a little background about the photographer and the photos that they have taken. So once you open the flap, you are greeted by 6 beautiful shades and a brush. On top of each palette, there are pictures of each animal that the brand supports for this product line. From the moment you look at the box to all the way down to unboxing it, to the covers of the palettes, it's black and white, and there is like a serious tone. So the little palettes itself is a work of art. It's metallic, it's cold to the touch, and even the clipping mechanism feels premium. Like, I just love how you open it so easily and flip it. So each shade is named after an animal, and it also has a given name too. So for example, the lion, and then golden copper. And honestly, I feel like it's true to the name. It does feel that golden copper color. I'm gonna try all the shades in a moment, and I'm gonna let you know what I think. And what I love about Chantecaille is that most of their products have this beautiful little mold, like a leafy mold. You can see. It's just beautiful. It reminds me, it's like a leafy mold. It's kind of tropical, but I could definitely see it as like a desert theme as well. And the brush feels every bit of Japanese artisan as they claim. It feels top notch. It really feels like it would pick up color easily, which I love. So far, I'm loving everything, but we need to put this palette to the test. I think the colors are absolutely beautiful. I could do so much with it, like a beautiful metallic look, a wet look. I could even use some of them as highlighters, especially the first two. The second one and the third one. These would be beautiful highlighters. It's super pigmented when I use my finger. However, when I used their brush that they gave me, I felt it was a bit more sheer, which is okay, I don't mind. I could use a setting spray and to pick up more color. I do that anyway, so I'm not really bothered by it. I just want to take a moment and thank everyone that has liked and subscribed to my channel, and I really appreciate it. If it's the first time you're here, please don't forget to like, and if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna try one of the shades, or maybe two of the shades depending, just to compare. And to be honest, I'm super excited. I really want to put these on my eyelids. So I've noticed when I applied it with the brush, it didn't like pick up that much, and I'm using a Sigma brush. It's one of my favorites, and as you can see, it's pretty sheer. So when I use my finger, it just picks up a lot more. Like I said, you could use a setting spray to help you with that. You know what? I'm gonna give that a try. Okay. And I could do that with this side, just to compare. So this is with the finger. Okay, it's the same thing, right? How well it blends, and it does blend well, I have to admit. So here's what I think. I love the packaging, I love the design, I love the product, I love the cause. However, I kind of feel reserved about the palette's performance. So hopefully next time I'll get a better idea, since I'm gonna be making an entire look using this palette. I just want to see how it plays with other products, how it blends out, and building color. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys next time to show you my new look.